Hey, Scooter, tell Swedish Chef his percolator act is on next.
Check.
Hey, Gladys, where's that fried egg I ordered?
Oh, Chef, where's that fried egg Floyd ordered?
Hunger's Friday, Floyd egg.
Great, just give it to me. Oh, Swedish Chef, on stage for the percolator act.
Oh, I guess there's no hunger.
That's it, huh?
Afraid so, honey.
Could I have a handful of coffee to go with it?
Percolator. I percolate the coffee. What the heck?
Oh, wow, Dr. Bob, what's wrong with this man?
Oh, I think he has an advanced case of ingrown coffee pot.
Is it rare?
Yes, usually it's found in hedgehogs.
In hedgehogs?
Surely you've heard of porcupines? On the other hand, pigs also suffer from it.
Pigs?
Yes, haven't you heard of porculators?
And so Dr. Bob has made a house call. Tune in next time when you'll hear Nurse Piggy say...
Dr. Bob, shall we get him to a hospital?
No, just keep him away from policemen.
Why?
He'll get a parking ticket.
Okay, I didn't understand that, but whatever it was. Thank you, Swedish Hospital veterinarian chef. Well, so much for dignity.